Hi friends, we have to find out square root of 14 cube plus 15 cube plus up to plus 24 cube plus 25 cube, right? So let's start. First we take 4n cube, right? We can express this as n plus 1 whole square minus n minus 1 whole square, right? So n cube will be equal to n plus 1 over 2 whole square minus n minus 1 over 2 whole square, right? This is base to solve the problem, right? Now 14 cube plus 15 cube plus up to plus 24 cube plus 25 cube, right? Now we will use this formula. First we take n is equal to 14, right? So what will be? We can write this as 14 square into 15 square over 4, right? 14 square plus 15 square over 4, right? Minus n is equal to 14. So 14 square and 13 square, right? Into 13 square over 4. Right, now we will take n is equal to 15, right? So what will be then? Plus 15 square into 16 square over 4 minus this n is equal to 15. So 15 square into this will be 14 square over 4, right? Plus up to plus, right? Now we will take n is equal to 24, right? So 24 square into 25 square, we are using this formula, right? Over 4 minus this again 24 square into this 23 square over 4. Now n is equal to 25, right? N is equal to 25. So plus 25 square into 26 square over 4 minus this part 25 square into 23 square over 4, right? Now this and this will get cancelled out, right? And this will get cancelled out. So these parts also will cancel out by middle terms, right? So we will have only this part and this part will remain, and all parts will cancel out by each other, okay? So now we have this minus 14 square into 13 square over 4 plus this part 25 square into 26 square over 4, right? Now we will take this as first. So 25 into 26, this over 2 whole square, right? Minus, now we will take this 14 into 13 over 2 square, right? Now 2 13 times, right? So 25 into 13 square minus this as 7 times, so 7 into 13 square, right? Now we will use a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b formula, right? In next step, 25 into 13 minus 7 into 13, right? And 25 into 13 plus 7 into 13, right? So we will have this 234 into this part 416, right? Now we can safely say square root of 14 is cube plus 15 cube plus up to plus 25 cube is equal to square root of 234 into 416. This will be equal to 312, right? So square root of this will be